Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to add signature in your Microsoft Outlook. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open my Microsoft Outlook apps, and now here if you decide to add a signature, you need to click in your Microsoft Outlook apps file and then click here options. After click over options, you need to click here mail. After click over mail, you need to click here create or modified signature for messages. Just simply click over there and then you're going to see a new screen will appear. Here first of all you need to click new and then you can give a name. Let me make here SIG signature. Let me make here ENG, which is English signature. I'm going to click here OK, and now here I'm going to type my name. You can just easily fill up your signature however you want, and then I'm going to type here my position, and you can type your position, and then I'm going to type here my company website. For example, my company website is www.abc.com, but in this place we're not going to type www. We're going to make it little bit stylish. We're going to remove the www. We're just keeping abc.com. We're going to highlight this and then we're going to insert this hyperlink. Here we're going to type www.avc.com and then let me make here OK. Now you can see I had just made a simple signature, and if you decide to add a picture like you have a company logo, you need to click this icon and it will take you just find out the picture you want from your PC. I'm just not going to add any picture. I'm just giving cancel. Now you can see I had added successfully, and here you can also make some modification. You can change the font style if you want. You can make it the sizes if you want. You can make bold, Latin or underline, or you can bring it left side, right side, as like we work on Microsoft Word. Now you can see I had successfully done typing my signature. Here is the upper side is saying choose the default signature. If your Outlook has many emails, you can choose this signature you want use to which emails. I only have one email, so I just choose that. And now it's saying to new message. Obviously I want to add this signature for when I'm going to type a new message, and this is saying to replay and forward. If you want to, whenever you replay or forward an email, if you want to add signature, you can simply make it here, but I'm not going to add. I'm just keeping only for new messages. Now let me make here OK, and then let me make here OK. Now if I go click here new email, you will notice I have successfully add my signature. So within this way you can easily add signature in Microsoft Outlook apps in any email. Whatever email you added in this Outlook, you can just simply follow up this trick to add signature. Now I will share with you how you can add signature in web Outlook. So I open here my outlook.live.com. I open my Hotmail account and I want to add a signature in my web. In order to do that, you need to click this gear icon and then you're going to find here view all Outlook setting. Here we're going to click, it will by default when you click view all Outlook, it will come to in the mail. We're going to click here compose and replay. Now here is the email signature section. You can simply type the signature you want, just like we do previously in our Outlook apps. After you type successfully everything, for example I type my name and my position and our company name avc.com, and then I'm going to make it hyperlink inside link, and then here you have to type the www.avc.com, and then I'm going to click here OK. And now I'm going to click here automatically include my signature on new messages that I compose. Also, if you decide to some modification like picture, your company logo or other things, if you decide, you can easily choose here. And after that, I'm going to choose here automatically include my signature on new messages that I compose, and I'm going to click here save. Now let me close this scan and let me make here new email. So you can see, you will notice that just now when I click new email, it came with the signature. So in this way, you can easily add signature in your Microsoft Outlook apps or web. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.